don't think I just we'll just make it quick. Didn't have lunch today.
I want Mexican.
I guess so. I hope that go away.
When is it?
Peace.
I'm gonna put some awesome music to this.
I'll beer minerals.
All right, tell me why you're asking that question.
Well, I got a pop-up yesterday, and it said
This is what the cohort means to me. 18 beautiful faces that I just love with all my heart. This is fun. I'm going to trip over something. Manny's face. I didn't get Ben's face in my video.
See, that's what happens. And, I feel like Norton is the best, but at the same time, McAfee is what we have at the school system. Works perfectly.
I tell you, it's a picture.
Hello, camera. It's not going to happen now. I'm going to put music to it.
I know, why did I say it like that?